Good morning everybody, so welcome to my channel. So my name is Joe and I'm a hairdresser like you guys. So I'm super excited to go and give you all the hairdressing secrets. So last time I get a lot of questions about the bleaching, about getting the best blonde in the hair. So today I'm going to speak the right way how to do the lightening, the bleaching, the right way how we can tone this blonde hair as well. There is a lot of videos coming soon about how to cover the gray hair, about how to make the right haircut, depends of the type of the face. So please write on the comment below which kind of video you are interested, so I will be very happy to do it for you. So let's go to our topic today. So as I tell you guys, so today we are going to speak about the blonding. So here it's very important to understand. So when we are doing the bleaching or when we are doing the lightening, so we need to be careful. We need to do the consultation first with the client to understand which type of the color she have done before, if she have done already before bleaching, highlights or anything. There is some clients, they do the bleaching or the highlights and then on the top they apply, for example, brown or black color. So we need to be sure that the hair was processed before or no by the consultation. As well as we know, some client, they will not tell you what have been done, just this is being as a background from hairdressing. So this is very important to us to touch the hair, to feel it, if there is anything have been done before. As well, I give you the very safe thing, so we can have one section from the hair, just one line, and do the test using the bleach powder with the peroxide, and then see the history, what have been done. Especially here in Middle East, I recognize that a lot of people, they do henna, they do colors that from the supermarket. So some colors, it's written there, it's a natural colors. So when we see natural colors, the meaning there is henna inside. As a hairdresser, we know that if you have henna in the hair and you want to go lighter, it can be tricky. So it's very important to do the test. So when we do the test, if we see the result, it's really clean, it's even from down to up. So this is it's a good sign for us. So it's a good sign that we are ready to go and lift the hair. Okay, so let's go to the example. Let's we imagine that I have my client sitting beside me. I do my consultation, I touch the hair, I just feel there is something in the hair, and then I do the section and then I make the lightening. So if I get even result, as I tell you before, so what the meaning even result, from down to the roots, from the ends to the roots, we have similar color. Okay, so this similar color can be, for example, orange, can be yellow, can be red, can be, it depends of the pigment, it depends how dark is the hair. So I recommend you when we are having dark hair, let's say black hair, and our client, she want to go really light. So in these cases, always when we do the consultation, we'll inform the client that your hair need more than one time application. So here we are going to do the test now. After the test, I will let you know how much time it's need exactly and which level that we are going to reach. So recommendation, we never overpromise our client. Okay, so you can be very honest with your client. You say, all right, because you have dark hair, so to do the lifting, so it's take time. First, I want to understand how much time you have, and the second things, because when we do the lifting, it's undertones, it's happening, it's coming from the hair. Sometimes I give example, I say, when you are wearing black and the Clorox or the bleach come to your clothes, so the color change to red and then orange and then yellow. So the same things it's happening with the hair. So we need to be really honest with our client, explain to them what's happening to the hair before starting. So when we do the test and then we open the foil, we show to the client, we say, all right, so now as you see the hair come orange, so the meaning we are like level 7. So if you want to go more lighter, if you want to go like platinum or like more light blonde, so the meaning I need to do one more time lifting. All right guys, so here if you need to do more than one time lifting, what I recommend for you, I recommend for you that it's possible. Yes, it is possible. Just like we need to be very careful, we need to be really working fast. We need to take thin sections when we do the lightning, because to reach the best result. Okay, so and as well, very important point, I recommend you to start with 20 volume, maximum 30, never start with 40, because 40 it can be, you know, like lifting very fast and then damaging very fast, and then you are losing the control. You are not able to reach the level that the client she asked from you. Okay, so step number 1, we check the hair. Step number 2, we do the testing. Step number 3, we mix the lightener with the peroxide. Here my recommendation, it's like 20 or 30 volume. In some scenarios even I start with 10 volume. So it depends of the type of the hair, but I never start with 40, especially if I want to go really extremely light, because I just like save the hair for my second lifting. Okay, so after doing the application, so here you never leave your client. Keep the client, keep watching the hair, like how it's lifting. You know, in some scenarios in the top of the hair you see the lifting more faster comparing to the sides or comparing to the back. It depends, because the temperature of the body always, it's, you know, the hot temperature is coming up, so this part it can be lifting more faster. So that's why we need to keep that part to the end. As well, you know, like keep touching the foils, like we need to feel the foils, like what's happening. If it's getting really warm, so the meaning, so the time is like to open and check, because it can, you know, like be harmful, it can damage the hair. So after doing, you know, like all the checking, everything, so we know that the, like mostly all the bleach powders, they lift the hair like from 7 to 9 levels. It's written 9 levels, but like in the reality, you know, almost it's impossible to reach from level 1 to level 9 in one service. Even if you do that, you reach that, the hair will be really smushed. So the best to go like step by step, to go gently, to lift gently, so to keep the quality of the hair. So as well, we understand now like the most important, another most important point, to keep the hair healthy. Okay, so this is the important things. When I say to keep the hair healthy, what is the meaning? The hair will not be elastic. If I will apply the toner on that hair, it will be last longer, because we have a lot of complaint from the client when they do the bleaching, they apply the toner, 2-3 wash, the color gone, the yellow is back. So when you do the lifting in the right way, when you don't damage the hair, you get the best result, the long-lasting result as well. You know, your client will keep coming back to you. Also here, very important things, you can mix with the color or with the lightener some product that can help the bones to not break the bones of the hair. Because we know all the lightening service, what's happening when we do the lightening. We are opening the cuticle, then the color or the bleach is going inside to remove the pigment from the hair. When these chemical things it's happening, we are breaking the bones of the hair. So here, like when I'm mixing with the bleach powder, some product that can protect the bones, the same time when it's going to doing the lightening, so it will be help. As well, I recommend to you to mix it with the color when we do the toner, just like healthy hair, long-lasting color, don't forget this. As well, very important point to recommend to our client what product she need to use after this service, because always like blonde hair, more high maintenance, especially if you go from dark to light. So this type of the hair, really they need like the right shampoo, they need the right conditioner, as well the right leave-in product to help the color to last longer. I recommend as well to use heat protection before styling the hair. because like very hot tools, it can make the color fading. So educating your client, it's always help that your client, she will get the best result, the long lasting color as well. You are building trust between you and your client. So hopefully guys, this information was helpful for you, and I wish you all the best. And don't forget that if you have any question, please write on the comment below. I will be super happy to answer all your questions. Cheers and see you soon.